Hey guys, and welcome back. So if you are new, welcome, and I hope you'll consider subscribing before you leave. Today's video is going to be a Dollar General 2 off 10, and it is good for today and tomorrow only. So what you are going to want to pick up first is the Arm & Hammer Power Packs, and they are priced at $3.95, and we have that $3 off digital coupon. The next thing you are going to pick up is the Gain Flings. It is priced at $3.95. And we have the $2 off digital. Then you are going to want to pick up the Tide Simply at $2.95, and we have the $1 off digital. So your total is going to come to $10.85. You're going to want to use the 2 off 10. You have $6 in coupons, which is going to bring your total down to $2.85 or 95 cents each, which I think is an excellent deal, guys. So, thank you so much for watching. Give this video a big thumbs up if you've enjoyed. And don't forget to subscribe. And happy couponing from my home to yours.